In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Walmart credit card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to move through the application with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Walmart OnePay credit card. From the results, choose the official Walmart credit card page. Look for a trusted, secure site indicator in your browser and avoid anything that looks like an ad pointing to a third-party site. Once you're on the official page, go ahead and select the link that takes you to the card details and application area. On that page, select Sign In. You'll be asked for the email address or mobile phone number associated with your Walmart account. Enter it carefully, making sure there are no typos, then choose Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and select Sign In to proceed. If you run into trouble accessing your account, use the on-screen account recovery options before continuing. After you're signed in, look for the Get Started button on the credit card application page and click it. Next, you'll see an option to see if you pre-qualify, or you can skip pre-qualification and apply now. Pre-qualification generally uses a soft inquiry to give you an idea of your eligibility. It's a helpful step if you'd like an initial check first. Always read the on-screen disclosures to understand how your credit may be checked. When the application begins, you'll enter your first and last name, your email, and your home address. Double-check that your contact details match what you use regularly so you don't miss important updates. When everything looks correct, click Next. You'll then be asked for your date of birth, the last digit of your social security number or ITIN, and your annual net income. This information helps verify your identity and assess your ability to repay. Enter it exactly as requested, and be sure you're on a secure connection before submitting anything. If you're unsure what counts toward annual net income, review the help text on the page for guidance. Here's a helpful note about the decision flow. When you apply, you're first considered for the OnePay Cash Rewards card, which is a MasterCard. If you don't qualify for that, you'll automatically be considered for the OnePay Walmart Spend card, which can be used for Walmart-only purchases. Before moving forward, review your entries for accuracy. Then follow the on-screen prompts to continue. That's it. Your application is underway. Good luck, and thanks for watching.